Ashley, my name's Hannah. I'm going to take circumference of your abdomen today. I'm going to use a tape measure. Is it okay that I use that?
Yeah.
Okay, so the purpose of this test is we're going to measure your body composition using a tape measure. So first I'm going to find the anatomical position of her abdomen site. So we're going to look for, if you hold your shirt up please, we're going to look for the iliac crest, which needs to be level with the belly button. So we're just going to make a little mark right here. And then I'm going to take this tape measure and wrap it around. And that is 83 centimeters, which measures out to be 830 millimeters. Ashley has let the skin regain texture, so now we're just going to take a second measurement. And once again, that is 83 centimeters, which is 830 millimeters. Now we're going to take the circumference of the arm. So I'm going to find the anatomical position between the acromion process and the acromion, which is in the middle of the arm. So X there. I'm going to wrap this around. And I got 28 centimeters, which is 280 millimeters. Ashley has let her skin regain texture, so now I'm going to take a second measurement. And once again, I got 28 centimeters, which is 280 millimeters. And now I'm going to take the measurement, circumference measurement of her buttocks. So I'm going to take this tape measure and wrap it around the maximal part. And once I come around, I get 100 centimeters, which is 1,000 millimeters. After the skin regains texture, I take a second measurement. Same placement. And once again, I get 100 centimeters, which is 1,000 millimeters. So now I'm going to take the measurement, circumference measurement of the calf. So I'm going to find the placement between the knee and the ankle. And Ashley, you want to turn around?
Yeah. You're gonna say which way do you want?
That way. Yep. So between the knee and the ankle, I'm going to put an X there.
Did you really guys want more? How to do it?
And here I got 38 centimeters, which is 380 millimeters. I let Ashley's skin regain texture, so I'm going to take a second measurement. So again, I got 38 centimeters, which is 380 millimeters. Now I'm going to take Ashley's circumference measurement of her forearm. So I'm going to go perpendicular to the long axis, which is, and find the maximal circumference of the forearm. So there. And wrap this tape measure around. And I get 24 centimeters, which is 240 millimeters. Now that Ashley's skin has regained texture, I'm going to take a second measurement. With her second measurement, I get 24 centimeters, which is 240 millimeters. Now I'm going to take Ashley's hip measurement, so I'm going to look for the hip proximal to the thigh and just below the gluteal fold. So I'll take this tape measure, wrap it around her hips, just below the gluteal thigh, and I get 95 centimeters, which is 950 millimeters. Now that Ashley's skin has regained texture, I'm going to take a second measurement. And once again, I got 94 centimeters, which is 940 millimeters. Now I'm going to take Ashley's mid-thigh circumference measure. So Ashley, would you put your foot on the chair? Her knee is bent at 90 degrees. I'm going to find the inguinal crease and proximal border to the patella. And I'm going to mark that. And then I'm going to take the measurement perpendicular to the long axis. So I'll wrap this around. And I get 51 centimeters, which is 510 millimeters. Now that Ashley's skin has regained texture, I'm going to take a second measurement. And once again, I get 51 centimeters, which is 510 millimeters. Alright, now I'm going to take Ashley's waist circumference measurements. Ashley, I'm going to raise your shirt, and I'm going to go above the belly button and below the xiphoid process. I'm going to take the tape measure, wrap it around. And I get 75 centimeters, which is 750 millimeters. Now that Ashley's skin has regained texture, I'm going to take the second measurement. So Ashley, you can raise your shirt again. Wrap this around. And once again, I have 75 centimeters, which is 750 millimeters.